Or they look, I mean,
They don't go up and down. Yeah, this they do go up now. This is 50.
Oh. That's kind of smart. That's my move. Ain't no way. That ain't Mobile. What the? That ain't even Mobile. It's from Alabama. Oh wait, it's from Alabama. Oh, I thought he stole it. They need me out there. Ah, shoot that. That's a good error, my man. Fan. They put John in. You heard that? My bad. See what I mean?
He's still home.
What? I came here to see you. Oh yeah, that's green. Oh, they need John in there. I would have blocked that. I would have blocked that. My bad. Oh my. Oh yeah, you missed. No rebound. Man. Hey, my boy John out there. The real point guard. That was a good heavy, but he didn't work. Where you with it? That was a lot. Oh. Foul. Safe. Yeah, no sir. Alabama Scorpions. That's my move.
Hey, Chloe,
I would have done that too. Oh my God. They passed the game. Block that. Block with him. I would have packed that. Oh, you slow. That's all good. They give it as a YouTube video. Come back. You need help. Hey man, I'm talking about my boy John out there.
Say again?
That's what I'm talking about, my boy John out there. See him? You see him? He got the dreads. He's gonna be tough. Watch it. And cross. He gonna look, pass it, cut to the basket. Base. He gonna get the ball. He open right now. If they swing it to me, he gonna shoot it. Watch. Drop down corner. Come back up. He gonna pass it to him. At the top of the key. At the top of the key. He got the ball. He's gonna ISO. That's the green. No, it's not. That's green. No. They need a rebounder like me. Just saying. I need to recruit me. Let's leave it to my boy John. Number 2. Swing it. Oh yeah, Steve. Get back, John. Oh yeah. Duck that. What's their name? ITN. But why everybody got my shoes? Why this stuff gold?
I like them.
You made it. Oh wait, he's not even running. No foul, no foul though. No foul though. Yeah, you still. Yeah. You still. Give it to John. Give it to John. Oh, never mind, never mind.
Like the shoes.
Yeah, man. Go. Come back.
They're not, but he do them. He like them all the time. Every position. I didn't see it.
Mount Gap Dusty.
Oh,
Mount Gap Dusty.
yeah. Yes, sir.
Go!
So it's 20-minute running clock.
Go, boy. Yeah, man. Hey, lock him up. John can get back in. He is scoring 20, maybe 15. John is tough though. Don't shoot that. Oh. They all shoot the same way. John has the ball. See? Cross, swing. That's a shot. Oh my.
I don't think he likes them. That's the free throw now?
Now they winning. What y'all doing, man? Oh my God. What did I say? He said that's the same. I don't know what you're talking about.
Fouls reset every time. Reset every time.
In the play? right man doing y'all like this. He throw that for you. You should have dunked it. You should have dunked it instead. He about to dunk it. I got my dunk on him now.
Defense! Play D!
What is the defense? Oh my goodness. What that? Why you ain't jump? Why you dunking? I was just kidding.
That did not happen.
Yeah, big body. Oh my God.
Wouldn't been half. So then the second half, that's why they're trying to.
Feel like Joe.
Yeah.
Oh my God. That was damn, no. Not that bad. Oh, they got a rebound now. Jackson. We'll do it after. Tito. Jackson. You put John in? Nope. Leonidas. We are lefty. Gotta be able to shoot. call. They call out.
You so cool.
Sound like
Hey, put my boy Danny in here.
They did put him in.
I mean, they put him in, but like, they ain't put him in after. Exactly. Still got him a minute.
you had this 3 minutes.
We need more minutes. We let him get 15.
15.
Yeah, that ain't happening.
Okay, at least I'll tell you. Hey, up, something. 3. Over that.
Woo!
I ain't tripping. The bitch is tripping.
Okay, yes, I did. Said he thought he was tripping. He thought he felt the bench shake. Said I didn't feel a shake at that time.
I wish we were playing that.
So we shouldn't be playing at all.
Hey, get that steal, man.
There you go.
Hurry up. And one.
Oh, it's halftime. Who's number 3? Come on, who number 3 go? That's crazy. I think get a rebound for none.
And I'm a dude back there.
I would have got that board. Put my boy John in. They put my boy John in. He's gonna go crazy. Just wait. The 15 points coming now.
23?
15.
15. He said his 15 points coming out.
Oh, look at number 2, man. Look at number 2. That was a far floater. I don't know what that was. But see if they dish it to number 2. They just shooting everything. He's gonna shoot that. That was his first shot of the game. See how you call for the ball? Go!
Come on, rebound. Did it again. Watching the game.
Again. That's what you get for wearing Coach's shoes. You know Coach is up. Let him cook.
I took the audio out of that one. The
Oh my God. That's a dunk. Now that's a dunk. I heard him, baby.
I took the ball to the teammate.
Garland's gonna get put up. He's still in touch. Right here.
Lose by 11. Lost the ball, but it's okay. We're not getting locked up out on those kids. That would have been the assistants who made it.
It's slippery, like that's where they all fall.
Let's go, Scorpions.
Running on the board. I got a rebound.
Good job.
Easy to make some.
Get back.
By that much.
Leave it up.
Oh.